In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 has a black screen. So nothing works even if you try to tap on your phone, press the power button, nothing is powering on. What you need to do now is to go on the side of your phone, and we will need to press the power button at the same time as the volume down button, this one, during around, I would say, 10 seconds. Until you see the Samsung logo appearing on the display. So let's do it together. Power button, volume down, and I'm pressing on it. Even if you see something appearing on the display, you keep these two buttons pressed until you see the Samsung logo. Here you go, Samsung logo, you can release these buttons. And this is the tip number 1 on how to solve this issue. Now, if this doesn't work, it may mean that the battery inside of your phone is depleted. It's at 0% or close to 0%. So what I suggest is that you go ahead and charge your phone. Try to charge it using another charger than the one you're usually using. Maybe that was the issue. It's not charging anymore. So by using another charger, leave your phone at least 1 to 2 hours plugged in. Make sure it has enough juice, and then again, power button and volume down. Keep both of these buttons pressed for 10 seconds until you see the Samsung logo. And fortunately, after doing this, it will finally come back alive. If you have any other tips on how to solve this issue, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.